So we have another, again, Flora that I fixed a long time ago. So what happened is I checked the model, and I was about to preparing everything to ship this back to the owner. And doing the test, I noticed that it's no longer working. So we gotta make sure it works before I ship this model back to the owner. So okay, now let's disassemble the entire engine again. So if you guys do not have the triangle shape screwdrivers, you can use a small flat head screwdriver to replace remove the screws. Well, now we have access to our gearbox. We need to disassemble the entire gearbox and inspect the electric motor. So as you can see, there is some corrosion buildup on the that small thin metal strip contact, and the electric motor it's so hard, it's so stiff. So I'm going to give 5 volts and it works, but remember the engine runs on 1.5 volts, so I'm using 5 volts. So I gotta make sure it works with a battery, just 1.5 volts. And as you can see, it's very slow. Once we start spinning by hand, see, it hardens. I don't know what's going on with the motor. I think the motor has corrosion inside. So anyways, we have here Gordon. We disassemble the Gordon. Remember, stay tuned at the end of the custom Trackmaster logo. I have some information also how we use these parts. So on this model, I'm going to use the electric motor. The electric motor, we use so many parts from this Gordon, but now we are going to swap. This electric motor is good, and we're going to swap this electric motor for our Flora. Now, when you operate these guys, please be very careful. Even if you are an adult, sometimes you forget that that tool is really hot. And I hear some kids also that they get burned their fingers because they do not pay attention. Even if I say so, they still get burned, so be very careful. Also, remember, try to do this in a ventilated area, because the fumes are very toxic. So I'm using a big fan to get these fumes out of the room where I work. So okay, now the next step I'm doing is I'm using white vinegar. The white vinegar you have in the kitchen. You can ask your parents, or if you're an adult, of course, you know where to get the white vinegar. Any white vinegar will work. So now in order to prevent more corrosion, I'm using here white oil marker, oil-based marker, just to match the color with the plastic. And I hope this prevents from corrosion buildup. Now let's replace the gear. Since that gear is a little wider and bigger, we're going to put the one it's the right size for our model. The next step is we gotta assemble our gearbox. In this case, there are not so many gears, and I did not take off all the parts, which is good. When you have experience, you know what to do, and it's very easy and simple to do. So let me know in the comments, guys, how many of you have learned something and fixed it from my videos, how to learn how to fix your engines. I'm reading some comments from Malaki Hilton. Thank you, my friend, for buying so many stickers. And I know you post that there are a lot of engines you've been fixing. That's great to hear. that you learn something. Of course, you are having some fun and have some time away from the tiny screens, you know, from the phones and everything. And I'm glad that you are doing something creative. That's great. Okay, now let's put back our model. Let's put everything back together. Tiny screws. My hands are so big, but anyways, it runs very smooth. That's excellent. So this engine is from our friend. I think it's from, the name of the channel is Monster of Monsters. Yes, you've seen this. Please remember that I have so many stuff to do and I might not be fast, but I'm still doing and checking and working on so many projects, and I hope I get them done soon. Now your engine is working excellent, very quiet and really fast. So far we've been using some parts from this Gordon in few engines. The last one is the one you just saw. We got the electric motor from this Gordon and we use it for Flora. So we fix and repair Flora. Also, you guys remember we took the shell from this Gordon and put it on this Henry, as you can see right there. Yep. And still working on this model, but we got to work on so many other models too. Now we took the tender from this Gordon to this custom Henry Black 5 Trackmaster, and something you didn't know, it's I used the gear from this model for this model too, one of the little gears, and another gear I used it for another engine. I don't recall, but you know, we got so many parts from this Gordon. Now you still have you can use this gear on the axle. The tiny parts, the screws could be saved for something else. The face, you know, there are so many Gordons that are yellow, so this is the reason, a good reason you can use some models as a scrap for parts. Yeah, the tiny screws, the long ones, everything. Yeah, here is the one, the gear that we replaced from another engine. Now here's on something else you can do. You can use these tiny springs for your electric motors. This gets lost so often. So far so good. I think you guys learned something, and we still have more parts. You can use the weights. Keep saving, guys, because if you have a broken engine, you can use to fix so many engines or customize so many engines.